received this Philips toaster, and this is the unboxing video for this, and let's see how it is. The packing I see is very good. So here we have got this Philips user manual and the warranty card, and nothing so much. And here I think this is the cover of this toaster. So this is the toaster from Philips, and the body is of a premium plastic, and here it is the metal. And here we see there are 7 points for the heating knobs. This is the stop button, and this is for the pop out of the breads. And overall this seems to be of a good quality, and I'm not sure what is this, but oh yeah, this is to take out the, I think, the breadcrumbs and all. So, and it's very good, like, and this is the cover, as I said, when it's not in use, so you can just cover it so that the dust will not enter inside. So overall this seems to be a very good and premium product from Philips, and that's all for now. Thank you so much. Bye bye.